Hello everyone, we're back in the woodlot, and today we're going to attempt to make a couple of beams for the new camp build. So on the ground here I have a couple of spruce logs, trees I dropped here. They're probably 20, 40, 60 footers, 70 footers, 270 footers. And I'm going to attempt to make 2 4x6 beams, 20 feet long. This is new to me. And I'll limb the rest of that up after. Actually, I might do it first. Put underneath here so I can roll these logs on there when I cut them. Beautiful day in the woods. It's warming up. The snow is going down. Little or no snow left here now. I don't think I ever told you this, but I own 12 acres here. Mixed hardwood, softwood. Quite a few spruce trees. Another nice one there. Another nice one right here, actually. Another one over there. There's 21. I should put this one down there. Where's my claws? Where's my claws? That end's not squared up. $21. Whoop. Not too bad. Sharpen that up a little bit. This is all new to me, but it seems like it'll work. I'm pretty impressed with that, actually. Look at that. Log is crooked. Got a wedge underneath there. That came out pretty good. Put a wedge over here. Gotta go up a little bit more though. Keeps falling off a little bit right there. That's pretty dang level. Tiny bit more. Get back here. Perfect. Take a look-see. I like that. That looks pretty good. I'd say. It's not bad for my first try. Even left a little bit of the line on. Gotta get this side off the ground a little more though. I don't like cutting on the ground. It's stalling my blade. That's better. A lot better. 3 5/8. We're gonna make the one final cut on this beam. There's La Beam. Nice. 4, 4, 4, 4, 3 7/8. That was a very productive day. Oh, there's nothing like it. Man, I love it. Just under 21 feet, 250. We had a pretty good day. Other than cutting my finger on the chain, sharpening the chainsaw. We got one beam cut. And one to go. I think I'm going to pack things up. I'm going to call her a day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.